What is up, everybody? Check it out. I don't know if you realize, but sorry, I gotta move a few things here off my porch real quick. But I basically, I don't know who've seen this, or if you haven't seen it, peep the flag. Oh, that is beautiful. But anyways, check this out. So I went and picked up a bench. Yeah. One of my wife's friends was well, I consider them friends as well. Don't get me wrong. But one of my wife's friends posted up on Facebook saying, "Hey, we've got this sweet bench for sale." And it was a Ford bench. Of all things, a Ford. Okay? Oh man, don't even get me started. Anyways, so I was browsing a little later. I was like, yeah, I don't know, man. I just don't see myself spending money on that just yet. But first of all, hold on just a sec. This is my view that this bench is at. So you know, beautiful, gorgeous view. But anyways, so I decided, once I saw the Chevy one, I was like, oh hell yeah, let's go pick it up. So I Venmo'd him and we went and picked it up. So yeah, that is awesome. So anyways, just a quick little video. I'm gonna do another little video, but this is just, I love these trees. This one's all weird. Tell me why. Why does this one change colors? This one's the last to get its leaves, the first to drop its leaves, and they're all three planted in the same spot. So disease, what? I thought it was a disease. I thought the tree wasn't going to last very long, but it thrives. I mean, it's healthy. It is a good tree. It's just different timing on dropping the leaves. But here's the deal. I got this Chevy right here. Yeah, the Ford is not here. It's seriously in my driveway. But some people think this is a Dodge, believe it or not. I guess these older vehicles from the front, sometimes at quick glance, some people think it's the Dodge because of the way that the fenders are. These fenders are a little different. Obviously, this is a 74. We got some round headlights. The fenders stick out a little bit more here. And then we've got the 90 fender style right here. Still square body, but definitely different in the way these are set up. But obviously, this thing, we just got this bad boy back, but I'm leaking oil right here. I believe there's something's leaking oil. I need to change this fitting right here, but I believe we stopped the power steering leak, maybe, I don't know. But we got a new engine in there. It runs. We're having issues with the transmission. It's shifting funny. I'm gonna take it back to the mechanic. He's gonna adjust some things on it, and we're gonna see if we can't get that fixed, because I miss driving this. I do. I miss driving this too. I need to get out more and drive this. So now that work's starting to slow down, I'm gonna find myself having a lot more time. I took the day off just because I can, and it's the first time I've ever took the day off other than a holiday. So I took the day off, but we're gonna get this thing running right. This thing, we're gonna start, I mean, I guess I can start right now, but I taped it up to paint, and I never untaped it, so we can untape this. And then I also obviously taped up the license plate, because, oh no, that's gonna be a pain in the butt to get off. Oh well, I'll spend some time on that a little later. But also this, peep the license plate. This'll make you laugh, maybe. Last one, JK. That means just kidding, for all you people who don't know that. My wife gave me a hard time when I went to buy, you know, another one, and so this was supposed to be my last one. as many of you know, or those who are close, I mean, new people here don't know, but that was not the last one. This was the last one that's been purchased. This here is a 1982 Blazer, and we've got it sanded. We've got the bumper off, we've got the mirrors off, we've got the lights out. This bad boy is gonna be painted soon, but this 82, fender wise, front end wise, it's pretty similar to the 90, other than obviously the 90 has smaller lights and dual lights. But this here is an 82. I've also got a crew cab, a 74 crew cab. In fact, this truck's a 75. The 74 is the crew cab. And look, there's the Ford. Anyways, so this is the 74. 75. This is the 75. The crew cab's the 74. And then I also have the crew cab is actually a 74 C20. Yeah, C20, right? But they converted it to a four-wheel drive, so now it's four-wheel drive. I also have a 1981 C10. So that might be my little racer truck. That's actually why I bought this, because this one is a standard. So who knows? Maybe we'll turn this bad boy into the little racer truck. My wife wants me to sell it, but yeah, you know, I'm not going to. She just got her hair done. Damn, she's fine.
I brought you pizza.
Oh, she brought me pizza. Yee-hee. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. That's kind of a little update on the score body stuff, and well, I haven't really been filming much on that stuff because, for one, I haven't had the Suburban. Two, we're waiting on paint for the Blazer, and three, because, just cause. Anyways, that's it. Smile. I'm gonna go on a walk with my wife, and then, yeah. But smile, have a good day, and watch some more videos. Go down and buy something from Amazon. Get you some Bucked Up. Get you some LED bulbs. LED bulbs are good.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way